So in today's session, I want to look at a trick to solve all type equations. I will begin with solving one-step equations. The trick here is to think about the opposite of the operational sign there. For instance, if I take the first question, it says W plus 5 is 7. So because this is addition, we have to do the opposite always. So I will do minus 5 and minus 5 here on both sides of the equation. Takes this off, then right away my W is 7 minus 5, 2. The second equation has A minus 1 equals 6. So because this is minus, I would have to do the opposite again. Opposite of subtraction is addition. So I have to do plus 1 on my left and plus 1 to my right. Then this goes off because negative 1 plus 1 is 0. So I have A equals 6 plus 1, 7. Now look at this. 3 times W is 3W. So 3 times W is 12. The opposite of multiplication is to divide. So I have to divide by 3 and also divide by 3. Then this goes off. Then W is just 4. The fourth question, x divide 4 equals 7. So because we are dividing, I would have to do the opposite of division, which is multiplication. So I need to multiply the left by 4 and the right also by 4. This takes this away, then right away my x is 28. So all these 4 examples are my type 1, solving just with one step. I will take some few examples where we would have to do 2 or 3 steps before we get to the solution. Take 1. Two x plus 3 equals 9. Let's take 2. 12p minus 18 equals 30. Can I take the third? Let's see. 3w minus 1 equals 14. So to solve this second type equations, we could say 2-step equations. Again, I will think of the opposite of the operational signs here. I have 2x plus 3 equals 9. So because it is addition, I have to do the opposite, plus 3. So I have to take 3, subtract 3, subtract 3. It takes this to 0 because 3 minus 3 is 0. What are we left with? We are left with 2x equals 9 take 3, that is 6. So this takes us to one-step equation. 2 times x is 6. Then I would have to do the opposite, divide and divide. This goes off. Then my x equals 6 divided 2, which is 3. If I take the second example, I have 12p minus 18 equals 30. Because this is minus, I would have to add 18 to both sides. Minus 18 plus 18 goes to 0, goes off. What am I left with? 12p equals 30 plus 18 is 48. 12p means 12 times p. I would have to do the opposite, divide by 12, divide by 12. This goes off. And my p is 4. I will take the last example where we have 3w take 1 equals 14. Because this is subtraction take away, I would again have to do the opposite, plus 1 and plus 1. Negative 1 plus 1 goes to 0. I'm left with 3w equals 15. 3 times w equals 15. Because this is times, I would have to divide by 3 and divide by 3. That way, then my W is 5.